Hey everybody, welcome to Pub Crawlers. I'm Matthew.
I'm Kevin.
I'm Steve.
Oh, he's Steve.
Jumped in there real good. I couldn't wait to get started.
I like that.
I got energy.
It makes everything so much more smooth whenever you introduce yourself. I don't have to anymore. He's becoming a regular.
I feel like I'm already known, though.
True. Man. All right, anyways.
We're gonna do Moscow Mules today. The Moscow Mule is a drink that originated up north, and much like the presidential election, it's got nothing to do with Moscow. Nothing whatsoever. So anyway, the Moscow Mule was originated in New York. Some guys were literally sitting around together in a bar. One of them was John Martin, president of Smirnoff Vodka. This was post-Depression. And then another guy that was sitting with him owned a company that made ginger beer. So a few drinks later, they decided to see what would happen if they mixed
The two of them.
the ginger beer and the Smirnoff vodka, and lo and behold, ginger beer was made, and Moscow Mule was made.
Ginger beer was made.
Was made,
Yeah.
and made, and they put it in it. But as far as how they got the name Moscow Mule, nobody remembers the story, and they're not around to tell us. So we're just gonna roll with it.
Google it.
Yeah,
Kevin's Google. That's
Just gonna have
that's
a
Kevin's
mule.
Google.
Oh,
Just gonna
okay.
have a mule.
Got you.
right,
So,
let's do
what
this.
goes into a Moscow Mule are some pretty basic ingredients. Vodka, and we're going to use a 360 regular vodka. 360 is a really good brand of vodka, 6 times distilled, has a real unique top on it. And we're going to use ginger
smell
beer, and we're going to use Krabby's ginger beer.
Okay.
So the way we're going to get started here is with
You want to read?
a mint leaf
Nope.
in every one of the cups, and we're not going to muddle them, but we're going to bruise them a little bit just to let some of the oil out.
Okay. Can I, well, I guess you can't really see it.
Bruiser. God, smell it.
Smell that mint? Yeah, boy,
So,
it's nothing like the
wait,
smell
so-
of fresh mint, too. Fresh mint.
Okay.
We're gonna come back with, you know what, let's do this. Before we go to the vodka, how about you get me some ice in there?
Sure.
And if we could go about 3/4 full with each one of those, that would be great.
So Matt, you did talk about me
Kevin.
me wanting to read this bottle. So we've had this Krabby's ginger beer here before, and I didn't get a chance to read it or talk about it too much. So while preparing for this, I snuck an extra bottle in.
Great.
So after we try the Moscow Mule,
This one's good?
we're gonna get to try the ginger beer by itself.
Are you talking to yourself?
Pretty much so,
I'm
because I'm not
talking to
listening.
our fans.
Hey everybody.
Excellent.
You're
Thank
talking
you.
to some ice cubes over there. What I was saying is that I snuck
You
in
call
a-
me Ice Cube? Love
Yeah,
Ice Cube.
I snuck in an extra bottle of ginger beer,
Oh, okay.
so we're gonna get to try this after. Remember last time
Wait,
we had
is
ginger
it-
beer here as part of a drink?
Yeah, but it,
We didn't get to try it?
oh, it's alcoholic.
Don't talk about yourself like that.
Boy, it's time for you to go home.
I get
No,
to leave
so-
when this is all over. I don't have to stay and clean up with them.
No, so typically, all ginger beers that I've had or heard about aren't alcoholic, but this one says alcoholic. Is that common or?
I don't know.
Okay, well, hey, this one's alcoholic. How about that? Let's try it. Open it up.
No.
No, he's doing his thing.
The mules first.
Oh, Jesus, okay.
So we've got the mint. We've got the vodka. We've got the lime juice.
Yeah.
And we're going to top it off with the ginger beer, and it's that simple. That's the entire drink.
Really?
So, you said earlier you just wanted to bruise the mint leaves, not muddle them completely.
Yeah,
Is-
muddling
is-
and bruising, completely different
Is there a
things.
reason
Yep.
for that? Or is it preference?
Yeah, because you don't want the overwhelming flavor of the mint in the drink.
True. Okay.
Feel free to use some more of this
All
one.
right, I will, thank you.
And then we'll try it later.
Sorry. I'll put that down.
All right, there we are. There you go. There you go. And there I am.
These glasses are super cold.
Yep, and the tradition of the copper mug and
Yeah, I was
ginger
about to
beer
ask you.
was simply because the bar that they were drinking in New
Just
York had an
had-
overabundance of them.
Huh.
And when they put the drink in there, the fact that it frosted the mug made it very attractive. And literally, the drink took off after that in terms of popularity.
There you go. Well, I guess if you have two owners of relatively large alcohol companies, then something they create and they're like, it's gonna take off.
Exactly.
So you know what? It's good? Mm-mm. What do you mean?
Great. So
I'm about
Matt,
to reach over and hit him.
Ooh, that is good.
what do you taste?
Let's see. You get a little bit of the mint right on the tongue, and then it finishes with the ginger beer. But you can't taste the vodka. I mean, 360 is a great vodka, but it finishes with that ginger from the beer.
Well, like any drink, essentially with vodka, with the exception possibly of a martini, you're never going to really taste the vodka.
the liquor, right?
Yeah,
So
because it should be very
The
smooth.
ginger beer is really good, though. Yeah, I want to see what it tastes like.
So this is part of the reason that I want to do this, is one, because
Smell it,
a lot of people are going to drink this Moscow Mule and they say, what is that mysterious flavor? What is that mysterious taste, right? Because you're not used to having, we don't drink ginger beer on the weekend, do we?
You don't?
No, I don't.
I don't either.
But this guy likes sushi, right?
I love sushi.
So this guy one day had some extra sushi, remember? You was getting ready to get rid of? And I said,
Yeah.
man, why'd you leave all this ginger sitting here? And you're like, what?
Yeah, I mean, we had a video previously. I thought it was just decor.
No.
I didn't know you
I
could
did.
eat it.
I mentioned it previously, but I didn't have ginger beer for you to taste. So I want you to taste the ginger
So
beer
this is what the
by
little-
itself, the little pink looking slivers. That's the flavor.
I always throw that away in the sushi.
Oh, me too.
Kind of nasty.
That's the flavor.
But the
This is
beer's
much better, though.
The beer's good.
Yeah, this doesn't taste like those things they
oh,
stick
it
in the
does to me
sushi.
so
All right,
much.
look, see, here's on my side. You're weird.
No, I love it. I love it. Well,
I'll
then
give you
y'all-
mine next time.
Give me all your.
Better yet, I'll save it for you. I'll just collect it at the house and bring it.
So we're going to eat sushi next time? Like, right now?
Yep.
All right. Wait, I'm gonna drink this first. But really, though, all right, so tell me if I'm off base. You get the mint on the front, and then you get the ginger on the back.
Absolutely. Now, I get a little bit of lime through it all.
I do.
Yeah.
Now, the
Now
great
you
thing
say
too
it.
about this drink, because it's vodka and ginger beer, you can go a lot of different ways in terms of flavors. You can make it spicy. You can put a jalapeno in there instead of a mint. Right? You can put a piece of fruit. You can put a pineapple in there instead of a mint. There's a lot of ways because the ginger is very accepting in terms of marrying with other flavors.
Right.
Like with your sushi.
Yeah.
So if you really wanted to, you can put any flavor of 360 vodka in here as well.
You probably have to
No?
experiment a little bit because
be
you do have a strong flavor in this
Of the
ginger
ginger.
here. So, something like the
Or if you had the
Oh,
lemon
for
360.
Lemon would
lemon
work.
360,
Yeah.
Any- I
or
think-
even the mango might be very good. I don't know that I would put the chocolate vodka in here.
No, I think a citrus base would work. I think a citrus would work with the lemon. The ginger, it has that little spicy bite that you're getting. That's
Yep.
that's from the ginger.
I like it.
Yeah.
It's good.
Does the weird pink stuff in sushi taste like this?
Yes, it does.
Oh, weird pink stuff.
But
on
it's
the
not
side.
very weird to y'all. To me, it's just very weird to y'all.
Well, that looks like a majority of opinion, though.
Yeah. Look at that. Once again, you're outnumbered.
So next time we go eat, I'll take you ginger.
As long as you pay for it.
No.
Well, I guess I'm out because I ain't
Yeah,
paying.
I'm not paying for it. Sushi's expensive.
We'll figure that out later.
Anyways, I don't know. This is delicious. Thanks.
This is good.
Cheers.
My pleasure. Glad you're enjoying them.
Thanks, thanks,
Mule
Kevin.
maker.
I can't even talk right now.
Hey Matt, you know what another name for a mule is?
Jackass. That's kind of what I feel like right now. Anyways, this is Steve.
Steve, thank you, man. I appreciate you
Kevin,
coming to help
thank
us
you
out.
for
and,
the thank you for the ginger beer. I guess.
well, hey, you know, gotta provide something different.
What you guys say? Thank you.
Thank you, Steve, for getting us through this Cinco weekend.
Enjoy.
Everybody, be
Happy
careful.
weekend.
Happy Cinco de Mayo. Drink some mules. Keep growing.
Cheers. This is good. You drink the whole thing?
It really is good drink.
It really is good.
This shit is on fire.
Wait, so.